What's up guys, welcome back. Today I'm here with Tina.
Hi.
We are in the studio. We are both New York-based photographers. We both shoot on Nikon gear. We wanted to come together to do an entire shoot with the same sort of camera setup. So we're both shooting on the Nikon Z8 and we also have our NIKKOR Z 24 to 70mm f2.8 lens. So we're doing the whole shoot, same gear and also the same sort of setup as well. So Tina brought along a model. She brought along this awesome brown fabric. So we're doing the same exact shoot, same model, same everything, but we're using different types of lighting. So Tina uses flash, I do continuous.
Yeah. We decided to team up and show you guys how different it can look on the same gear, but with different light. So afterwards, you can choose and you can decide what light you like more, and maybe like if you were shooting with the flash before, that was gonna give you more creativity to use what Brandon was using today and shoot the next time is continuous lights and vice versa, right?
Yeah, I usually do continuous light, so it's gonna be fun to watch Tina work today as well, and also like see if our photos look super different or
I'm
kind
curious.
of similar. We're gonna be using different lights, so with that, I feel like with flash, you can get a really low ISO because flash is so like sudden and strong. So for me, I might have to like boost my ISO a little bit, change around some settings. I feel like I can't necessarily go like the slow shutter route as well. So I feel like we're gonna end up with a lot of different photos, but I guess we'll see. I feel like with all of that, we can just get right into shooting. Tina's gonna go first, so she's gonna set up her light and do whatever she wants, and then I'm gonna basically take it down and put the exact same thing up just using my lights. So
let's do it.
Let's go.
The reason why I chose strip box for our shoot today is of course this fabric, so we can wrap it around and have this like narrow light on the face of the model. Gonna really bring nice structure and textures. Also, like she could play whatever, like she put the chin up or down, is gonna give us different results, right? And for some shots, I add up the second light. I feel like the best solution is just to move it around through the shoot. Don't move. Yes, that's nice. Yes, keep it like this. Just gonna experiment with different shutter. Yeah, touch the fabric, play with the fabric. Yep. Don't move. Don't move, don't move. Yeah, look more like this over there. Yeah, don't move. Don't move, don't move. Hold. Hold, hold. Yeah, like this, or like it. Let's bring a bit more motion to the fabric. Oh, I like it like this. Yeah, like I really like when it's a lot of wind. Trying to find the focus. Yeah. I really like when you play with the fabric around the face. Yeah, let's do more like 3/4. It's perfect. Yeah, I like it like this. Yeah, like this. Keep it like this. 1 sec. Yeah, I like sitting a lot. Let's do one more facing up like this and hold. Can you try to reach a bit more with this hand, like kind of, like, yeah, like reaching like this. Show more of the face. It's too much. And let's bring another hand here to the head as well. And just like look at me like this through the, yes, through the hands. Don't move. Yeah, don't move. Okay, cool. Okay, I'm done.
Okay, so took down Tina's set, and all I did was sort of replace her flash with my continuous light. So up there I have on the Molus X60 from Zune, and I attached on a Bowens mount to make it compatible with that sort of softbox we have on right now. So we have the strip box, same sort of setup, same elevation, literally same draping. I kept everything the same, but just switched out my light. And I set it to a really nice warm temperature because I just like shooting like that. I feel like you could go a cooler route, but I feel like with the tones of the background and the browns of the fabric. And Tina had a softbox off to the side, so I did a similar thing, but I switched it out to this continuous light with an optical spot on. So I have the newer HB80C also set to a warmer temperature, just so we can get some nice direct light onto the model from the side, because this kind of strip box looks really nice, but some of the fabric starts to get in the way and it doesn't do the best job at lighting the model, I guess. So I wanted something else to be able to have a dual light source onto her. So let's get into it. And then kind of having your face towards that light if you can a little bit. Yeah, like right there, it looks great. Yeah, wonderful. I shoot through this way. Yeah, I love that. And some looking out this way. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, and that light is really nice. Great. Yeah, and then can you kind of bring both? Oh yeah.
Adjust this because it's too white, or is it okay?
It's okay, yeah. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, great. That looks sick. I love both of them together. So good, yeah. Love that.
Yeah, you're good.
Love that, really good. Nice. Ooh, yeah, that's really good. Ooh, wait, I love that. That looks insane. Yeah. Perfect. Love that. And try to get a little bit more in this light. I think it's a little, there it is. Yeah, I know. There you go. Yeah, that's great. Perfect. Nice. A little step back if you can. Yeah, right there in that light. Yeah. Wonderful. I'm trying to like grab some as well. Great. Ooh, love that. Love that, looks really nice. Oh, so sick, yeah. I love these, yep. So good. Cool, okay, these look insane. Let's maybe do some sitting like, yeah, like Tina did. That's perfect, yeah. Great. Just get this light towards you a little bit more. Yeah, that's great. Yeah, I love that. Perfect. Love that. I love how it's going in your face. Great job. Do a little bit of this. Great, yeah. Perfect. That's really nice. Can you do both hands? I know that this might be in the way, but you can just kind of, here, I'm gonna grab it. Yeah, like that. And then a little more in the light if you can. Yeah, but same sort of posing, it looks great. Yeah, like that's really nice. And then a little bit more in that light if you can. Yeah, there you go, perfect. Yeah. And then can you bring that fabric on this side of you? Yeah, like that. Yeah, that's great. There, that's good. Perfect, yeah. Great. Yeah, that looks really nice. Great. Perfect, I love these. Just want this a little bit more over this way. Yeah, if you hold that kind of right there. Yeah, great. Perfect, yeah, I love this angle. Try to do over. Great. Okay, so we just finished both of our shoots. It was so fun watching you shoot. How did you like shooting? How did it go for you?
Oh my God, it was so much fun. I'm so happy we did this.
Yeah, me too, me too. I feel like it's so fun watching other photographers shoot because I am not the best at flash. Like I like incorporating it into my work sometimes, but I definitely lean more towards like the continuous light. So it was so fun watching you shoot.
Definitely, I use more flash over continuous.
Yeah.
But watching you doing this, I was like, man, this really like works out, you know,
I think,
both ways.
Yeah, no, I think you guys can let us know what you prefer, if you prefer shooting with flash or continuous. I feel like with the continuous light, I couldn't really do that slow shutter sort of stuff because I wasn't, you know, shooting still motion with the flash. But I feel like, yeah, like continuous light seems more of like something in person you can maneuver and see how it's looking in real life versus with flash, you're gonna have to take the picture, kind of watch it back. So there's definitely like pros and cons to doing both. And I think this was like really interesting to see like how we literally did the same exact setup, but like just continuous versus flash.
Same gear,
yeah.
same lens, same everything, literally just the difference,
Yeah.
flash versus continuous.
How did you like shooting with the 24-70? Is that something you shoot with a lot? Because I know for me, it's kind of my go-to.
Yes, it's kind of like, I would say my go-to lens as well.
Yeah.
I also have 24-120, which sometimes I even enjoy using in the studio more.
Is that the F4?
Yes,
Oh, nice,
because it's
yeah.
F4. Yeah, so like for outside, of course, it's not give you as much opportunity as 2.8.
Yeah.
But for the studio, it really works out really well because I can zoom out to 120 and, you know, do like super close-ups, which is like amazing. And like
Yeah.
I love portraits, like close portraits.
I know, I think with this setup in particular, because the model was pretty stagnant under that strip light, we were kind of able to use the zoom lens to really get close-ups, but also really far away shots. So I feel like we didn't have to do as much moving either. It was nice to kind of get variety within our photos.
Yeah.
So let us know what your favorite lens is, and also if you prefer flash or continuous, what do you use in the studio? Again, follow Tina. We'll leave all her links, her Instagram, down below in the description, and thank you for watching.
Thanks, guys.